Hi guys, do you know what complete combustion is? It's when a hydrocarbon, such as this molecule with two carbons and six hydrogens, burns completely in oxygen, producing carbon dioxide and water and lots of energy. Complete combustion occurs when there's plenty of oxygen. You need to be able to write balanced equations for the combustion of any hydrocarbon. Let's look at a combustion equation. Here I have a molecule of ethane. Ethane's a hydrocarbon made of just carbon and hydrogen atoms only. And all combustion reactions, if they're complete, will produce carbon dioxide and water. But how do we balance them? Number one, check how many carbon atoms are in the hydrocarbon. This is how many carbon dioxide molecules you need. You can see here there are two carbons, so we need to put a big 2 in front of the carbon dioxide, shown in purple here. What do we do next? Now check how many hydrogen atoms there are. Well, there's 6 hydrogen atoms on this ethane molecule, so we need to put a big purple 3 here in front of the H2O. Why a 3 and not a 6? Well, there's already 2 H's there, so it's 3 times 2, which makes 6. And finally, we need to check how many oxygen atoms are on the right-hand side of the arrow. We always leave the oxygen to balance until last. Now we can see on the right-hand side of the arrow, we've got 2 times 2 oxygen here. There's a big purple 2, so times the O2 on CO2. There's 4 there. And then over on the water, on the 3H2O, we've got 3 times 1 oxygen. That makes a total of 7 oxygens. So we go 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. And that's a balanced equation. If you don't like using halves, you can always double the whole thing. But with organic chemistry, you can use 0.5s or halves. Okay, let's look at 3 more. Okay, what I want you to do now is pause the video and have a go at balancing these before I go through the answers. So pause the video now. Okay, let's go through how to balance these. Let's look at the first one. Methane here has got 1 carbon. So I don't need to put anything in front of the carbon dioxide because there's already 1 carbon there. How many hydrogens does it have? 4 hydrogens. So I need 4 hydrogens over by the water. So I'm going to put a 2 in front of it. And how many oxygens? Well, there's 2 on the carbon dioxide and 2 now on the water because I've got 2 times 1. So there's 4 oxygens altogether. So I need to come back to the left and write 4 oxygens here. And I can do that by putting a big purple 2 in front. 2 times O2 is 4 oxygens. That's balanced. Let's try the next one. We've got 3 carbons on propane. So how many carbon dioxides do we need? That's right, we need 3. Now there's 8 hydrogens. How many water molecules will I need? Well, I've already got 2 H's in 1 water, so I need 4 times H2. So I've got 8 H's on both sides. Now we check the total amount of oxygen. 3 times O2 is 6, 4 times O is 10. There are 10 oxygens on the right-hand side of the arrow. So I need to get 10 oxygens on the left, and I can do that by putting a 5 there. And with the final one, we've got butane, C4H10, another hydrocarbon. I'm going to need 4 carbon dioxide, 5 water, and 6.5 oxygens. So remember, complete combustion is when a hydrocarbon burns completely in oxygen. When fuels burn with a blue or clear flame, it's a good sign that complete combustion is happening. However, when they burn with a yellow flame like these candles, it's a sign that incomplete combustion is occurring. I'm going to cover incomplete combustion in another video. So like, subscribe, and let's get to the marks. Good luck with those exams, guys.